Did you know that English speakers use tenses every 30 seconds without even thinking about it? That's right. We jump between past, present, and future so naturally that we don't realize we're doing it.
That reminds me of my friend Carlos from Mexico. He once told his boss, "I go to the meeting yesterday," instead of "I went to the meeting yesterday." His boss looked confused and asked, "Are you going today or did you go yesterday?" Poor Carlos felt so embarrassed.
Oh no, that's such a common mistake. Mixing up tenses can completely change what you're trying to say. It's like trying to tell someone about your vacation, but accidentally describing it as if it hasn't happened yet.
But here's the good news, listeners. Learning English tenses is like learning to ride a bicycle. At first, it feels wobbly and scary. You might fall a few times. But once you get the balance right, you'll be riding smoothly without even thinking about it.
That's perfect, Amy. And remember, every English speaker was once a beginner. Even I made mistakes when learning other languages. The key is to keep practicing. Tenses are your friends. They help you tell your stories clearly and connect with others.
By mastering these basic tenses, you'll be able to talk about your daily life, share your experiences, and make plans with confidence. You'll understand others better and express yourself more clearly. This isn't just about grammar. It's about communicating your thoughts and feelings accurately.
Exactly. Whether you're ordering food, making friends, or talking about your weekend, using the right tense makes all the difference. People will understand you better, and you'll feel more confident speaking English.
Hi, everyone. I'm John, and I'm here with my co-host, Amy.
Hello, listeners. I'm Amy. John, I remember when I first started learning English, tenses were my biggest challenge. I would always say, "I eat breakfast now," when I meant, "I am eating breakfast now." People looked at me strangely.
And I remember teaching English and seeing students struggle with when to use "I go" versus "I went" or "I will go." That's why today we're going to make tenses simple and practical for you.
Before we start, if you find this episode helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to FluentHub English. It really helps us reach more learners like you.
Let's begin with our first role play. In this scene, Amy and I will meet at a cafe. I'll be the customer and Amy will be the cafe worker. We'll focus on the present simple tense, which we use for habits and routines.
Scene 1. At a cafe. Present simple. Good morning. I'd like to order a coffee, please.
Good morning. What kind of coffee do you usually drink?
I usually drink a latte in the morning. Do you have soy milk?
Yes, we do. We also have oat milk. Many people prefer it these days.
Interesting. I sometimes drink oat milk at home. How much does it cost?
It's the same price. A large latte costs $4. Do you want anything to eat?
Yes, I always eat something with my coffee. What do you recommend?
Our chocolate croissants are very popular. Customers love them. We make them fresh every morning.
That sounds good. I'll take one. Do you work here every day?
Yes, I work from Monday to Friday. On weekends, I rest at home.
That's nice. I work on weekends too. When do you finish work today?
I finish at 3 o'clock. After work, I go to the gym. What about you?
I go to the gym too, but in the morning. I exercise before work.
That's a good habit. I don't like morning exercise. I prefer the evening.
Everyone is different. Here's the money for my coffee and croissant.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. See you tomorrow. Vocabulary and phrase breakdown. Let's look at some important phrases from this conversation. First, I usually drink a latte. We use the present simple tense for habits and routines. Words like usually, always, sometimes, and never often show us it's a habit.
Next, we make them fresh every morning. Again, this is present simple because it's something that happens regularly. Every morning, every day, on Mondays are time expressions that often go with present simple.
Another useful phrase is, I work from Monday to Friday. This describes a regular schedule. When you talk about your job or daily routine, you usually use present simple.
I go to the gym is another example. We use present simple for repeated actions. Remember, for he, she, it, we add s. He goes to the gym.
And finally, I don't like morning exercise. This is the negative form of present simple. We use don't for I, you, we, they, and doesn't for he, she, it. Guided practice. Now, let's practice some present simple sentences. Repeat after me. I usually drink coffee in the morning. She works in an office. They go to the gym on weekends. We don't eat meat. He doesn't like cold weather. Do you speak English? What time do you finish work? I always brush my teeth before bed.
Great job! Now try to make your own sentences about your daily routine. What do you do every day? What don't you like? Tell us in the comments.
For our second role play, we'll focus on present continuous tense. Amy and I will meet at an airport. I'll be a traveler and Amy will be an airport worker. We use present continuous for actions happening right now. Scene 2. At the airport. Present continuous. Excuse me, where is gate B12?
Let me check. Gate B12 is on the second floor. Are you flying to Paris today?
Yes, I am. My flight is leaving in 1 hour. I am waiting for my friend.
I see. Is your friend traveling with you?
Yes, she is. She is buying some coffee right now. We are both very excited about this trip.
That's nice. What are you doing in Paris?
We are visiting my sister. She is studying French there. She is living in Paris for 6 months.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. Are you staying long?
We are staying for 1 week. We are planning to see the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre Museum.
Great choices. Many tourists are visiting those places this month. Are you packing warm clothes?
Yes, I am. The weather is getting colder now. I am wearing my jacket today.
Good idea. The wind is blowing strongly outside. Look, is that your friend coming?
Yes, she is. She is waving at me. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful trip.
Vocabulary and phrase breakdown. Amy.
Let's examine some key phrases from this conversation. First, my flight is leaving in 1 hour. We use present continuous for future plans that are already arranged. The flight has a schedule, so it's happening soon.
John. Next, she is buying some coffee right now. We use present continuous for actions happening at this moment. Words like now, right now, at the moment often show us it's happening now.
Another useful phrase is she is studying French there. We use present continuous for temporary situations. She's not studying French forever, just for 6 months.
John. Are you staying long? Is a question in present continuous. To form questions, we put am, is, or are before the subject. Are you staying, not you staying? Amy.
And finally, the wind is blowing strongly outside. This describes an action happening now. Remember, present continuous is formed with am, is, or are plus verb ing.
Guided practice. Amy.
Now let's practice some present continuous sentences. Repeat after me.
I am learning English now. She is working at the moment. They are having dinner right now. We are not watching TV. He isn't listening to music. Are you reading a book? What is she doing? The sun is shining today. John. Excellent. Now think about what you are doing right now. Are you sitting? Are you listening? Are you drinking something? Try to describe your current actions using present continuous. John. Let's quickly review what we've learned so far. We've covered 2 important tenses, present simple and present continuous.
Amy, present simple is for habits, routines, and facts. We use it with words like usually, always, every day. For example, I work from Monday to Friday, or she doesn't like coffee.
John. Present continuous is for actions happening now and temporary situations. We use words like now, right now, at the moment. For example, I am studying English now, or they are visiting Paris this week.
Amy, remember, present simple uses the base form of the verb with s for he, she, it, while present continuous uses am, is, are plus verb ing.
John, both tenses are very useful in everyday conversations. Practice them, and soon you'll use them naturally without thinking. John, for our third role play, we'll focus on past simple tense. Amy and I will meet in a shopping center. I'll be a customer who just bought something, and Amy will be my friend. We use past simple for completed actions in the past.
Scene 3. At a shopping center. Past simple. Hi, John. What did you buy today?
I bought a new shirt and some shoes. I needed them for work.
Nice. Where did you go shopping?
I went to the department store on Main Street. They had a big sale yesterday.
Did you pay a lot for the shoes?
No, I didn't. They cost only $30. I saved $20.
That's great. Did you go alone?
No, I didn't. My sister came with me. She helped me choose the shirt.
What did she think about the shoes?
She liked them a lot. She wanted to buy the same shoes, but they didn't have her size.
Too bad. What did you do after shopping?
We ate lunch at the food court. I had a sandwich and my sister had pizza.
Sounds like a fun day. When did you get home?
I got home around 5 o'clock. I was tired but happy with my purchases.
Did you show your new clothes to your family?
Yes, I did. My mom liked the shirt, but my dad didn't see it yet. He worked late yesterday.
Well, I'm happy you found some good deals. I need to go shopping too.
You should go to that store. The sale ends tomorrow.
Vocabulary and phrase breakdown. John, let's look at some important phrases from this conversation. First, what did you buy today? This is a question in past simple. To form questions, we use did plus subject plus base verb. Notice we don't say did you bought, but did you buy?
Amy, next, I bought a new shirt. This is a positive sentence in past simple. For regular verbs, we add ed. Want becomes wanted. Need becomes needed. For irregular verbs like buy, we have special forms. Buy becomes bought.
John, another useful phrase is no, I didn't. This is the negative form of past simple. We use didn't plus base verb. Notice we don't say I didn't bought, but I didn't buy.
Amy, my sister came with me is another example. Come is an irregular verb, so its past form is came, not comed. Other common irregular verbs are go, went, have, had, eat, ate, see, saw.
John, and finally, I was tired but happy. The verb be is also irregular in past tense. I, he, she, it, was, you, we, they. We use it to describe states or feelings in the past.
Guided practice. John, now let's practice some past simple sentences. Repeat after me. I walked to the store yesterday. She called her friend last night. They went to the park last weekend. We didn't watch TV. He didn't eat breakfast. Did you enjoy the movie? Where did she go? I was happy to see them.
Amy, great job. Now think about what you did yesterday. Try to tell a short story using past simple. What did you do? Where did you go? Who did you meet?
John, for our final role play, we'll focus on future tenses. Amy and I will be friends making plans for the weekend. We'll look at 2 ways to talk about the future. Will for predictions and spontaneous decisions, and be going to for plans and intentions. Scene 4, making plans for the weekend. Amy, what are your plans for the weekend, John?
I'm going to visit my grandparents on Saturday. They live in a small town near the city.
That sounds nice. How will you get there?
I will take the train. My brother will drive me to the station in the morning.
Will you stay overnight?
Yes, I will. I'm going to stay until Sunday evening. I'm going to help my grandfather in his garden.
That's kind of you. What will the weather be like?
I checked the weather this morning. It will be sunny and warm on Saturday, but it will rain on Sunday.
You should take an umbrella then. What are you going to do on Sunday morning?
I'm going to have breakfast with my grandparents. After that, I will probably go for a walk in the town.
Sounds relaxing. I'm going to stay in the city this weekend. I will clean my apartment on Saturday morning.
What will you do in the afternoon?
I'm going to meet my friends. We will go to the new cinema downtown. Have you seen the new movie yet?
No, I haven't. I will probably watch it next weekend. I hope you enjoy it.
I think I will. Would you like to join us? We'll meet at 7 p.m.
Thank you, but I will be with my grandparents. Maybe next time.
Of course. Have a great weekend.
You too. Vocabulary and phrase breakdown. Let's examine some key phrases from this conversation. First, I'm going to visit my grandparents. We use be going to for plans and intentions we've already made. It shows we've thought about it before.
Next, I will take the train. We often use will for spontaneous decisions or when we decide at the moment of speaking. In this case, John is answering Amy's question about transportation.
Another useful phrase is, it will be sunny and warm. We use will for predictions based on evidence or what we believe will happen. Weather forecasts often use will.
I will probably go for a walk shows how we use will with words like probably, maybe, perhaps when we're not 100% sure about future plans.
And finally, would you like to join us? This is a polite way to invite someone. Although it has would, it's not a future tense. It's a polite invitation. The answer, I will be with my grandparents, uses will to state a future fact. Guided practice. Now, let's practice some future tense sentences. Repeat after me. I will call you tomorrow. She is going to study medicine. They will arrive soon. We are going to have a party. He won't come to the meeting. Are you going to eat out tonight? What will you do next weekend? I think it will rain later.
Excellent. Now, think about your plans for next week. What are you going to do? What will you probably do? Try to make sentences using both will and be going to.
Listener challenge.
Now it's your turn. We have a challenge for you. In the comments below, write 4 sentences, one for each tense we learned today.
Write one sentence in present simple about your daily routine, one in present continuous about what you're doing now, one in past simple about what you did yesterday, and one in future tense about your plans for tomorrow.
We'll read as many comments as we can and give you feedback on your English. This is a great way to practice what you've learned today.
To wrap up, remember that tenses are tools to help you express when things happen. Present simple for habits and routines, present continuous for actions happening now, past simple for completed actions, and future tenses for plans and predictions.
These 4 tenses will help you communicate most of your daily experiences in English. Practice them regularly, use them in conversations, and soon they'll become natural to you.
Thank you for joining us on FluentHub English today. If you found this episode helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English learning content.
Join us next time when we'll be talking about common English idioms and expressions. Until then, keep practicing and remember that every mistake is a step toward improvement.
Goodbye.